Hi, Dan Krause here, and today I want to tell you a little unfortunate story about an unmarried couple and what happened when one of them passed away. But first, like I said, my name is Dan Krause, and I have an estate planning and elder law center in Wisconsin. I'm also licensed in Illinois and Minnesota. I've been doing this for about 20 years, and we put out a newsletter every month. And if you would like to get on our newsletter list, please send me an email at newsletter@friendly.law. That's newsletter@friendly.law, and we will get that newsletter out to you every month. And I think you'll enjoy it. So to the story, there's a story that's happening. It's an unfortunate ongoing story right now, but it's a story that I've seen and I've heard multiple times, and it's a sad story. The story starts with a partnership, two people unmarried living together for a long, long time. In this case, 30 plus years. They lived together, they did everything together, they shared their life. And then one of them died, in this case, fairly suddenly. There was no time to plan and unfortunately no time to say goodbye. And so after death, it was discovered that there were assets that were not jointly named in both parties' names. We also had no will and no trust to know where this person would have wanted their assets to go after they passed away. So we have to use the state law. So in this case, in Wisconsin state law, since they're not married, they're not family, and that person cannot inherit. The partner cannot inherit unless there's a written document. So we had to look for the closest relative. In this case, it was a parent, the parent of the person who passed away. So that parent is receiving quite a bit of assets because they were just in the deceased person's name. And there's really nothing that can be done about that. It's causing some heartache and some friction in the family, and this is all very unfortunate, but all super avoidable if there had been some planning. So if you are in a long-term relationship, if you have a relationship with somebody that you're not married to, whether it's a same-sex relationship or a traditional type relationship, but you're not married, please, please, please do some estate planning, because if something happens to you and you wanted things to go to this person, they may not get there because of the law. So if you have any questions about this, please give me a call, 608-268-5751. That's 608-268-5751. And of course, you can call me about any other topics, including estate planning, probate, and elder law. Thank you.